How to log into your Spotify account. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Spotify account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down on this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser and search for spotify.com, or if you have the app, you could just continue with the app. Today I'm going to be showing you guys through a browser. The process is exactly the same, so it does not matter where you do it. So here are various options. Once you land on the Spotify's login page, you could log in with your Google account, your other social account like Facebook, even your Apple ID. Or you could just enter your email or username here and password. So if you remember your username or password, you could just enter it right here. Or if you want to continue with your Google account, you could tap on here. Once you've entered your username or password, make sure that the login credentials are correct. And after you have done that, you could just click on this login option to simply sign into your account. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to reset your password. They will send you a reset link on your email and you can reset your password from there. And if you're new to Spotify, you also have an option to create a new account by signing up for Spotify. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to a completely different page where you have to sign up. So in order to log in, you can just switch back and forth. That's completely up to you. And that's how you easily log into your Spotify account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.